Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure you have admin-level access and a target org. Once done, choose Config Storage, custom metadata for deployable defaults or custom setting for org-specific values. Next, create the metadata record with fields you need, using Setup or SFDX. This gives Apex a stable reference. Then, wire your IDE, Open Developer Console or VS Code, and authenticate so you can edit classes, run tests, and push changes without delay. Now you implement access patterns in Apex code, call custom metadata. Get all or custom setting. Get instance to retrieve configuration objects. Once retrieved, map those values into a static utility class and cache them in a static variable so repeated requests don't hit SOCL limits. Also, validate types and parse numbers or booleans carefully and provide defaults when fields are absent. This ensures predictable behavior and improves performance. Make sure to add unit to finish. Add comprehensive unit tests that exercise each configuration path, including edge cases and bulk behavior. Deploy your custom metadata or settings with SFDX or change sets. Once deployed, verify in production or a sandbox and monitor behavior. If things go wrong, enable debug logs and look for null pointer, query limits, or permission errors. Often the fix is a missing metadata record or a field-level permission. Finally, document where config lives so future you can update it safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.